Walking down the narrow path tonight. Heartbeat pounding under God's eye. Every mile we go, we feel the drive. Jesus by our side keeps us alive. Trail is calling thunder in our stride. We conquer every climb. Winds are roaring, lifting up our cries. Freedom found under those open skies.
Welcome to Narrow Path Adventures. We're going to do some fishing on the Menomonee River. So we're going to the Sailor boat launch. We're going to try here and then we'll check out some waterfalls. Maybe we can fish there. Stay tuned. Look at these little babies. Get out of the road, babies. Get out of the road. Get out of the road, little ones. What are you doing? Go away. Oh my gosh. This was not the right road. So it's funny, when me and my brother came here, we had to launch off this. And we had to go a mile that way. And yeah, I had a deep V boat. That did not work out good. That was definitely a fish. So I got myself in trouble here. There was 12-foot falls, and I was like, well, I'll go check it out. Probably ain't too far away. Well, it was like 20 miles off the highway, and there's no signage. There's no reception. I finally found it, and then I got here and it's $5. Drove all this way, I might as well check it out, I guess. Well, that's cool. Very smoky out here. That was pretty cool. On that first cast, a trout came out and went after it. Come on, grab it. Oh, I had one. All right, I got one. Oh, I lost it. I wish I had some power bait. I was right. So it's not a trout. There's a bunch of creek chubs. Again, I got the awesome Waterfly backpack. For $20, this thing is awesome. 20, 30. I've seen it 20, and I've seen it 30. But I think it's worth either one of those. Trail has stopped. So we'll go the opposite way. This water's rushing.
I must break you.
Look at that, I caught a little brook trout. Look at this beautiful fish. Gorgeous. Uh-oh. You think I'll fall? I'm not the most graceful. That's why you don't walk on rocks like that. There we go. That hurt. There's a big fish. I'm hoping it's a trout. It is a trout. Oh, look at that. A rainbow trout. Alright, I went back and got a night crawler and a little hook. Alright, check it out. What do we got here? Another brookie. Sorry, bud. There we go. That's a better one. That's a better one. That's probably 8. That's probably a keeper. Another one. Beautiful fish.
I think it's, I haven't, look.
Look at this beautiful fish. It's definitely illegal. Stop. Get me out. Keepers. Okay, good. You're gone. That was a beautiful fish. Trout are a little bit feisty, huh? Dang it, I wish I would have caught that one. I mean, I did. It was in my hand, but I wanted to measure it. It's not a bad one. Oh, papers. Yeah, that's a pretty one. Got a perch. Oh, he got away again. Pretty fish. Alright, I finally got a bigger fish, but it's a bass. Oh, largemouth. Got me all excited, Mr. Largemouth. I thought you were a trout. There's a couple of trout in here that are approaching 20 inches. Some big bad boys. Look how beautiful this place is. It's insane. 12-foot falls. Well, let's give it to God again. God, can you help me catch one more fish? I'd appreciate it. I'm glad that you helped me catch a few. You can get me one more. I'll be very grateful. Amen. Well, God said no. So that's it. So I was about to head home. Then I saw a sign that said 18 foot falls. I ain't gonna miss that when I'm this close. Still about a 10-minute drive. 300 yards of rugged terrain, but I'm going. Well, this is not rugged terrain. It was way more rugged at 12-foot falls. There's some rugged terrain. Some more. Ouch. That's pretty.
One step at a time, leaving the past behind, knowing this road will lead me home.
It was an amazing day checking out God's artwork and catching some beautiful brook trout. Thanks for joining me on the narrow path where the road leads to life. Have a good one.